Hello everyone. So this is for the trick of bacteria and what are their common names. Now it is very simple, but still I'll tell you how to remember this. So starting with Kleber bacillus, you can see the word here. It is loeffler. In Hindi it's something very bad. Means the loafers which roam on the streets, right? And this Corynebacterium diphtheria. So see the last word, rhea. So now you can correlate loafers with rhea. Like rhea was walking in the street and there were some loafers who came and disturbed her. So Kleber loefflers, you will remember rhea and Corynebacterium diphtheria. Then Koch weak bacillus. Now this lockdown, when this lockdown will be over, you will take a week break and you will go to Egypt for your holidays. So this week is for Egypticus, means Egypt. So for Koch weak bacillus, you will remember week from week Egypt and Haemophilus aegypticus. Then Koch bacillus. Now this Koch bacillus and Hansen's bacillus are, I don't think you will need any trick to remember this because this is obvious. Koch bacillus for MTB and Hansen's bacillus is for M. lepri. Next, coming to Eaton's agent is for Mycoplasma pneumoniae. Now for this, you will remember a sentence from which you can derive many points about Mycoplasma pneumoniae. And maybe most of you already know this, but still I will write it. My cat eat fried egg with no wall. My cat eat fried egg with no wall. From my, you can remember Mycoplasma pneumoniae. From cat, the characteristic of Mycoplasma pneumoniae, that is cold, agglutination test. From eat, you can now guess it, Eaton's agent. From fried egg, on PPLO agar, this particular organism will show a fried egg appearance. No wall means it is pleomorphic without any wall. So this is what you have to remember about Mycoplasma pneumoniae. Next, coming to Pfeiffer's bacillus. Now this Haemophilus you can write as Haemophilus. So now you can see there are a lot of F's. So Pfeiffer's bacillus, Haemophilus influenzae. Next, coming to Friedlander's bacillus. Now you have gone to Egypt for a week, for which we learned Koch weak bacillus for Haemophilus aegypticus. And when you land, everything is new for you. So Friedlander's bacillus is for Klebsiella pneumoniae. Then Glander's bacillus is for Burkholderia malai. So when you eat a lot of malai, you automatically become a fat. So just like your glands swell up, you will also swell up. So this is for Glander's bacillus, Burkholderia malai. Now for Burkholderia pseudomallei, now this is a pseudomallei, this is not a true mallee, this is false. So it is wishing for more, it is wishing to be a true mallee. So Whitmore, you can just write as wish more. So Burkholderia pseudomallei, wish more, that is Whitmore bacillus. So this is all you have to remember.